Guys, welcome back to another tutorial of a TCL TV black screen. Today I will show you how to fix a TCL TV black screen. It have a problem that its sound is coming but it have no display. It shows only blank screen or a black screen. So I will show you how to fix this problem. Stick to my video, watch till end and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Also press the bell for the latest notifications. Firstly, you have to find the reason that why this problem comes, black screen. There are two main causes of the black screens. One is its backlights and second is its backlight driver. So when we open the TV case, we will find out where is the problem. But in 90% cases, it's the backlight problem. So I will first open the TV and then show you what is the problem. But firstly I will power it on and show you that how this problem looks like. I will power on TV. Now here you can see a logo, but there is no light visible. No light, only black screen. Customer said that he can hear only sound. You can see that TV is on but there is no display because its backlights or its backlight driver is bad. Now I will open and check and rectify this. So watch the video complete. Before viewers, I will show you the tools needed to repair and open the LED case. Viewers, first of all you will need a wireless screwdriver or a simple Phillips. You can use both of them. If you have not this, then you can use a normal Phillips. Then you will need a fine tip Phillips for opening backlight strips. The next tool you need is a LED tester. So viewers, these are the tools you need to repair the backlight strips or to fix the black screen problem. Now I will open it. There are screws on its back panel. We have to open the back cover. Now viewers, I have opened the back cover. Now our first step is to check the backlight driver section area. So the hint to find the backlight driver inverter area is to check these cables coming from the inside of the TV. These may be red or white wires. Also there should be mentioned on the motherboard LED driver, and wherever this type of jack is located, find the capacitors if these are okay, and near components, diodes and SMDs. If these all are okay, then move on to the next step. Then your backlight driver section is okay. If this is bad, then find my video about how to add an external backlight driver to any LED TV. It will be given in the video description link, and also in the I button you can find how to add an external backlight driver to any LED TV if this section is bad, because these ICs are not available in the market and you have to modify this area. And there is a circuit available with the name of a backlight inverter. You can find that in the video. So you can add an external backlight driver to any LED which have this section bad. But this is good. So we will move to the next step of opening the backlights. So if it is okay, we have to release the this keypad. Now I will open this. Our speakers and keypad jack is now released. Put it on a side, and now we have to release this T-con from the motherboard. So basically we have to open the front side screen area because our backlights are under the screen. So first of all we will need to unlock this cable. We have to push inside the lugs from both sides and pull it back like this. Now it is free. Open the screws if any. It have plastic locks. I will release them from a nose plier on both sides and clear this tape. After this T-con is free, I will turn it and remove the front plastic fitting and show you the next step. I will release the locks by gently pressing the plastic locks inside from a nose plier. This depends upon model. Some TVs have screws. Now it is free, viewers, you can see that. Now I will turn the TV and free the front. Now this is the plastic fitting covering the screen. I will open this. Now guys, you can see that the plastic fitting is locked inside. It have a tiny locks inside, so you cannot directly open it. You can use a normal sharpened screwdriver like this, but don't use extra force. That will break your screen. Gently press like this. As you can see that you are seeing that the plastic fitting is removing from the inner side. So do this process from all the four sides. I will show you. Carefully see that how I do this. You can see that it is now free from inside. You have to do this process from all the four sides. Now our plastic fitting is free from all sides. I will lift it up. And put it on a side. Now the next turn is for the panel screen. You can see that our screen is visible. Just gently lift the T-con and insert your fingertips under the screen like this from both sides. And put your hand under it, lift it up and put it on a side on a safe area. Now the next turn is for the reflectors, viewers. These are the reflecting papers. Next thing you have to do is to open these black small tiny screws with the help of small screwdriver shown earlier. You will need a small tiny screwdriver for this purpose. So open all the screws to access the backlights. These are plastic locks. These can be undone by flat plier nose plier. You can press gently here and push these downwards. Here is the other one. Now you can easily lift the reflecting paper. Here are your backlights. So you can check them one by one with the help of LED backlight tester. First of all, you will remove the jacks. Friends, listen one thing here, that it may depend upon your TV model. So it may have more than 2 or 3 or 4 strips. So don't worry. The procedure is same for all the TCL models or any TV models. So follow my steps, and if there is anything you can find difficult, you can ask me in the comment. I will reply them. So procedure is same. Just follow my steps. Now you need a LED backlight tester. Plug it in the power source. Viewers, all the LED backlight strips have testing points. I will show you. First of all, I will remove the connectors. Here you can see that here is the testing points, plus, and here is positive and negative, plus point and negative point, plus negative. So I will now, guys, first of all I will tell you how to check the backlight strips. So this is the voltage, DC voltage. It can support up to 300 voltage. So all the backlight strips have lenses, bulbs on them. Each bulb contains maximum 3 to 6 volt. It may be 3 volt or 6 volt. You can check the individual strip, individual bulb first to know its voltage. So first of all I will check the one bulb and its voltage. So I will check any one. Look at the meter, it's showing 6 volt. So we have find that our backlight bulb is, one bulb have 6 volts. So it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bulbs. So it have 30 volts. The bulbs are in series, so it will drop some voltage. So its voltage may be, if it is good, its voltage will be from 27 to 28 volt if it is good. So it's the method to check the backlight strips. If it is good, then first of all the backlight bulbs will glow. So it's the first thing that it is good. Then the second thing you have to find that, look at the voltage. If it is from 27 to 28 volt, then this is good. Otherwise it is showing extra voltage, low voltage, then also this is bad, although the bulbs are glowing or not. So I will check one by one both the strips. So first of all, I will check the first strip. I will place the red probe on the positive and black on the negative. You can see that, viewers, all the 5 bulbs are glowing and the voltage on the meter is showing 27 volt. So the strip is of 30 volts, so some of its voltage is dropping due to the lights in the series, so it is good. This LED backlight strip is okay. Now coming to the next strip, you can see that no light is glowing, so it is bad. It is clear that it is bad. No need to move further. We have to replace this particular strip, but it is my humble request and my experience. Whenever you open a backlight strip or a TV case for the black screen problem, for the backlight change, replace all the sets, all the strips, because if you replace one, the other strip may have passed its life and may be bad after some time, then your problem will come again. So if you have opened the case, then change all the sets, then it will work for more time. So go with all the strips. No, I will change the both strips. Guys, I have removed the bad strips and I am now installing the new one. These are the new strips. I will show you that these are of the same model. Always try to use the same model strips because they have same type of connectors and screw holes. Otherwise you have problem and you have to modify it. Look at this. This is the old one, this is the new one. Connectors are same and screw holes are same. So I will install both new strips. Attach the connectors. Now fix the tiny screws. It is done, viewers. Now I will install the reflecting paper. This method will work for all the TCL TVs, irrespective of the model. Your TV may have different quantity of strips, but the process is same. You will follow all the steps I have shown. Now install these two plastic rubber fittings. Plastic locks are okay now. Now it's time for reflectors. After placing the reflecting papers, now it's done for the screen or panel. I will turn the scaler side to myself. You have to place the panel carefully well inside these four corners. Double check that it should be in between these four corners, otherwise it will break. You can see that it is well inside these rubber corners from all four sides. It is okay, and it is also okay from other side. Now I will fix the front bezel. Now carefully place the plastic fitting. Our front bezel is okay, viewers. Now I will turn and fix the back connections and back cover. LVDS connection. All the connections are okay, viewers. Now I will install the back cover now. Now I will attach the keypad and speaker jack connectors. It has tiny locks, plastic locks, so gently press it downwards. Firstly inline it, then press it downward. is okay viewers. Now the final turn for this back cover. Guys, our TCL TV is now properly assembled. Now I will turn it and check the final result. I will insert the power card viewers. Standby light is on. You can see that. The display is okay viewers. No black screen problem have been solved. So viewers, if you enjoyed the video, kindly like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.